This beach block, large corner-style townhome features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a multi-level floor plan. Situated on an oversized lot 65 by 100, this townhome has decks on each level, with 2 extremely large, south-facing ocean view decks. The hidden gem of this townhome is the well-designed, extra-wide, middle-level great room. Incredible ocean views. Another view of the extra-large great room. Bright and airy kitchen open to the dining and living room areas. Large dining area with convenient slider to the ocean view deck. Check out the gas fireplace for cozy nights. Extra large wraparound maintenance-free deck with ocean views makes for a perfect area to gather together after a fun-filled day at the beach. Here you will find the many sitting areas the great room has to offer. Do you enjoy your morning coffee on the deck? Then take either sliding door to the extra-large wraparound water view deck measuring 32.5 feet by 15 feet and watch the sunrise. Top floor ensuite with private bathroom, vaulted ceilings and ocean view deck. The front ensuite has a very large, private, ocean view deck to enjoy sunrises or sunsets. Private ensuite bathroom. Check out the second ensuite bedroom with vaulted ceilings. Second ensuite bathroom. The first living level consists of 3 bedrooms. Here is the first with queen bedroom. 2 twin beds can be found in the next first level bedroom. A hall bathroom is shared by the 3 bedrooms on this level. The third well-appointed bedroom has twin beds and a slider that leads out to a private deck. Here you will find the first level deck. Laundry closet is located on the first level. This townhouse features a new roof in 2021, new front door in 2020, freshly painted walls and ceilings of the top master bedrooms. If you enjoy an active lifestyle, take a short walk up to the promenade for your morning exercise.